Often you want to settle down in life, but you always feel like either you are not meeting the right person or somehow it just doesn't materialize. So if you want to settle in life, if you want to say I do, or if you want to marry, today I'm about to share few solutions and few tips for the delay in marriage and how you can bring that moment in your life to tie the knot. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Today, few things I'm about to share, but one thing I'll tell you. Whatever you do in life, things work if you are meant to be together. If you're doing something and if it isn't happening, let it go. If you try to stretch, if you try to go after something that isn't for you, you will know, you will have the hunch already, so let it go. Till you let it go, that somebody special will not enter your home, enter your life. You have to empty your cup for it to fill up with something that is meant for you. Now, I have shared many switch words for different purposes, but I'll tell you, today the switch words and the Vastu solutions or the law of attraction, whatever I'm sharing, after watching this, I will say take a look at this episode which I had done already on marriage, but keep in mind, chant no more than 2 switch words a day, because I say if you are taking a multivitamin A, B, C, D, E multiple times at the same time, it's not going to work. Even Vastu, don't just go after getting the whole home done. Give one area, balance one area at a time so you see the results. Now, why is your marriage or settling down being delayed? Maybe you decided to settle later. Maybe you don't have the intention. Maybe you prioritized your career, your education, your family responsibilities, or you just don't have the faith, or you're not finding the perfect person, or you went through rough time in your life that you are fearful, or you just aren't sure this isn't for you. Sometimes you may make decisions, but somewhere you still have in the corner of your heart, you're looking for that perfect soulmate. In that, these switch words and these solutions may assist you, but keep in mind, if you're meant to be together, you will see the miracle. Now, if you want to attract the person, and if you are meant to be together, let's say you are dating someone or you really want to settle with someone, again, to attract that right person, what you got to do is do Pran Mudra. Any of these switch words you chant, I want you to do Pran Mudra for both hands and then chant. If you want to attract that perfect partner, chant together praise up love 2 to 3 times a day for 11 times. Now let's say if you want to connect with someone who you were together, then there were misunderstandings or lack of communication or lack of interest, but the desire is to come together. In that moment, then you can chant tomorrow restore perfect love. Again, if you're meant to be together, this is going to work if you want to connect. Now, let's say you don't know who's that perfect person, but you really have a lot of do's and don'ts, yes and no's about the personality, the character, the education, the family, the salary, the looks, whatever it is. If you want to plant your intention, you want to meet your perfect partner or your soulmate, and you don't know where that person is and you want to meet with them and settle, then start chanting one of these switch words 100 times a day. The first one is together love divine order, or you can chant sweet chestnut walnut oak horn beam. Now be careful, if you're meant to be together, 100 times a day, one of these, important. Now sometimes you know what you want to do, but there is some apprehension. There is a part of you which resists settling down. So you have to sit peacefully. And any switch word you chant, make sure you have the Pran Mudra. But before that, you sit peacefully and release that fear. I release the part of me. I release the fear in me, anxiety in me that is preventing my marriage. You have to let go the fears, the doubts. Plant the seed, the intent of that positive environment where everyone supports. Or even if you're engaged, your marriage is being delayed, you have to trust the process, so you connect and things happen for you. And this is where the powerful law of attraction comes in place. Every day, now take out your favorite notebook or diary, and you can write this affirmation with green color or red color pen. Every day for 51 times you start writing, believing as if it already has happened. And what you're going to write is, together I thank Divine for getting me my soulmate now done. What it does is you're already believing and trusting and sharing your intent, announcing to Divine and the universe that you already have it and it's done. See the miracles in your life. It's all the intent. Now, another thing you got to do is, you may have heard meeting the right person at the right time, and that connection comes from the east direction of your home as per Vastu. Make sure the east direction of your home is not cluttered, not dirty, not unkept. It's inviting. And the other thing, after taking a look at the first video on the marriage, I want you to leave me the comment and let me know what's going on in the southwest direction of your home. Southwest is the zone of your ancestors, their blessings, and also relationships. You have to make sure it is balanced. You have to make sure you have taken care of it. In the end, you are the generation next. Your ancestral blessing will play a pivotal role in connecting you to the right folks and also blessing you a happy life ahead. Don't forget to share this episode with your friends and family, and I would really appreciate your comments and some testimonials and some shout outs about your results. Until next week, take care.